Hello friends and welcome back to another sing-along. This week we're going to try out Clean Rain by Raffi. This song originally came out on an album called Evergreen, Ever Blue, which was dedicated to Mother Earth. This song in particular was all about water, and especially the kind that comes down from the sky, and all the amazing life-giving properties it has as it blesses us by falling across the land. Let's give this one a try. Clean rain, crystal clean rain, singing clean rain. Oh, I remember the days when the rain fell clean into the valleys and into the streams, clean through the air and clean to the earth. They say that the rain fell clean. Rain on the land and rain in the water. Clean fell the rain from the skies above. The rain brought life, it brought life in every drop. The rain that we used to know. Clean rain, crystal clean rain, singing clean rain. Oh, I remember the days when the rain fell clean into the valleys and into the streams, clean through the air and clean to the earth. They say that the rain fell clean. There's life in the woods and life in our waters, moving in the beauty of this earth that we love, and praying for the day when the rain falls clean, like the rain we used to know. Clean rain, crystal clean rain, singing clean rain. Clean rain, crystal clean rain, singing clean rain. La 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 la. Well, I hope you found that as refreshing as I did. Now go outside and see if you can see some of that clean rain.